Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I will be unboxing the Klein Tools CL800 600 amp AC DC auto-ranging digital clamp meter. Right, so as if you guys are a subscriber of my channel and you watch my videos, you know that I'm a big fan of Klein Tools. But regardless of that, I always give my true and honest opinion or review, because I have no contract or agreement with Klein Tools. I just love the brand. And as you can see in the last review that I did of a clamp meter, I forget the brand. I forget, not the brand, the model. I forget the model. It didn't work for me, and I bring that across to you guys as well. So this is just the unboxing video, right? What did I see, or what does I get straight out of the box? You can check back in about a month or so. Don't want to put any timeline on it, and I'll give you the actual review, because I want to actually use it and then give my review from that. I don't want to just give you a review after not giving you a review before using it. So I want to actually use it for about a month or so, then I can give you my true and honest review. All right, so the package feels good. We have some information there. Klein Tools, tell you the type of meter, and it gives you some information. So it's 1000 volts AC DC, 6000 amp AC DC, 60 mega ohm, true RMS measurement technology, so that it measures temperature and all that stuff. So let's and on the back it also give you those same information, give you them on the back as well. And here it tells you what's inside. So it includes the thermocoupler, it includes the probe, batteries, and the carrying case, and it also have some suggested accessories. So this is the magnetic thingy to hang it around when doing your measurements. It's called a magnetic hanger, right? And you also have this accessory to measure current. So you're gonna plug this into your outlet, then you plug whatever appliances into this accessory, and then use a clamp meter. Put your clamp meter between this to get a current reading. So let's open the package. Let me use the scissors. Okay, so first thing, it's my case. It feels, so before I get to what's inside, it feels the quality is not bad. It have like a cushion thingy here and here, so I guess that help with help to keep the meter safe when it's inside. Also, these are my two probes. Let me find them and check the length. Rough estimate, this is about a little longer than 2 feet. I would say my probes are a little longer than 2 feet. This is my thermocouple for measuring temperature, right, which is a feature that I intend to use a lot, because that is one of the main reasons why I got this meter. I want to measure temperature and capacitance. So this is my adapter that I plug my thermocouple in and plug it into my meter to measure temperature. Two AAA batteries, two AAA batteries, the user manual, and then the main component, which is our meter. and you'll have to screw the battery pack here. So insert the battery or the batteries. It getting a lot of tension there, which is good. So that's a good spring. Overall, the quality of the meter itself feels good. I don't want to drop it and stuff like that, and then if it doesn't work, I complain that they sell me a bad meter. But this is it, the different settings. So yeah, this is it straight out of the box. I guess in the review video I will go into more details. Right, I have that grip right there, which is good. But as I said, in the full review video I will go into more details about this Klein CL800 clamp meter. So there you have it, guys. This was the unboxing video of the Klein CL800 600 AC/DC auto-ranging digital clamp meter. And this was another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Dana's Electrical Services. Thank you. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.